Jinxie's Tarot, guys. Welcome back. Today I am doing a reading for all you Sagittarius singles. Saggy singles. Use this for your rising. Okay, no shuffling. Fine. Use this for your rising, your sun, your moon, Venus, and or Jupiter. Let's begin. Remember, time is fluid and not linear. This may have taken place, currently taking place, or soon to come. Alright, Saggies. It looks like you had met someone at some sort of social gathering, maybe through a friend, maybe through an event you went to, a party, anything, some kind of social gathering. You met somebody, but you held back. For whatever reason, whatever this situation was, this outing, this family event or something, you met someone, but you held back for whatever reason, okay? Though whoever this person is that you met at this social event or gathering of some sorts, you seem to feel like this person kind of tickled your fancy. You know what I mean? You felt like this person is, so excuse my language, but you felt like this person's a shit, okay? You really were in awe of this person. But King of Swords is someone who's very determined, very confident. You did not necessarily feel all that confident this person. You may have even found yourself to be a bit tongue-tied. You know what I mean? You didn't seem as if you could start up a conversation, or you felt nervous about this person. Made you nervous. This person made you feel like a 16-year-old teenager kind of thing. You know what I mean? Soon to come, it seems like you do. Maybe you're looking to meet this person again, and you feel like you can show this person that you got your shit together. You are someone worth talking to. You're full of confidence. You're happy. You're vibrant. You're funny. You're someone that grabs attention. But why are you in your head? Are you still nervous about this situation? As confident as you are, you're still a bit secretive, or a bit holding back. Like I said, in the beginning you held back as well when you first met the person. Even though this person tickled your fancy, you found this person charming, you found this person attractive, you found this person could be the one. But you didn't have the confidence. You didn't have it in you to want to go talk to the person or communicate with them. You felt very insecure. But it looks like you may be showing this person that, hey, I got game too. But what is it that you're still being secretive about? What is it that you want to hold back? Let's see what's going on. Saggies, it's not like you to be this nut. It's not like you to have someone kind of make you speechless, so to speak. Oh, okay. All right, Saggies, it looks like you recently came from a breakup. It looks like you recently came from a breakup. That's why you're still holding back. That's why you're still, a part of you keep secret. Even though you're going to show yourself as someone who has their shit together. The reason is because you had an argument, a fight. And yes, you did end up accomplishing your side of the situation. But you're still haunted by the memories of the relationship that you had formed. 5 of Cups shows me that you're still depressed about it. You're still depressed about this sadness, okay? And that's what's holding you back. Look, guys, I'm going to be straight with you, Saggies. I get it. The Saggies who I'm talking to, these are the single Saggies. You guys, obviously, you went to a gathering of some kind. It could be an event. It could have been a picnic. It could have been a beach. It could have been a party. Anything. And you met this somebody, but you held back when meeting them. You did feel like this person caught your fancy. Realistically, this person caught your fancy, but you didn't have the confidence to want to speak to them. You didn't have you felt tongue-tied. I get that. And you do plan on showing yourself as a confident, flirtatious, happy, energetic person that you are, but you're still in your mind about it. I get it. Because you are still being haunted by the pain of losing the relationship that you once had. I get that. I do. And you need time to move forward, but do you really want to lose this opportunity to go forward with this person? Because obviously this person you find attractive. You feel like this person's a shit. Like this person, like he or she's got game. You're just they make you tongue-tied. They make you too nervous to want to say anything. Alright, let me see what the heavens are suggesting for you. Because apparently this person makes you have butterflies in your stomach. This is butterflies in the stomach. And so much butterflies in the stomach that you can't talk. You're tongue-tied. That's cute. That's really, really cute. How can we fix this situation, guys? Okay. Whoa, okay, Saggies, look. It looks like in a short amount of time, there's going to be another gathering, just like here. This person you met at a gathering. It looks like there's going to be another opportunity, a get-together of some kind or an event you're going to go to, and it's going to be within a short amount of time. You will have an opportunity to start some new beginning with this person. The heavens are advising that it's now time to start a new beginning. This is Ace of Wands. A new beginning is in the horizon. Let the past be in the past. Remember, this is from the Ghost Tarot. Ghost Tarot is what's being haunted. 5 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles, and the 5 of Swords. Leave that behind. Saggies, leave the past in behind you. Leave it in the past. Don't keep bringing it up. Because guess what? The wheels have turned. The tides have changed. You are going to meet this person again at another function, another gathering. Potential to start a new beginning. Guys, there's a potential to start a new beginning. Don't lose it. Don't lose it. I'm telling you, don't let it get out of your hand. Go for this new beginning. Hand up the courage and have a new beginning. Don't let it go. Don't let it go. I'm telling you, don't let it go. I'm sorry, I'm picking up my cards. It fell. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Sorry. Didn't mean to take so much time. My cards fell to the floor. All right. Heavens, can you be a little kinder? Guys, there is a new beginning on the table. I'm telling you that right now. Yes, there is potential. The tides have changed. There's going to be a gathering. You're going to meet this person again. And they're asking you to take the chance. There is a new beginning on the table. There is a new beginning on the table. You need strength. Okay, I get that. You need strength. You need to bring up the strength and okay, guys, Saggies, now like I said, there is definitely another chance of getting together with this new individual to have a new beginning. You need the strength. Again, Ace of Cups. Guys, there are two aces, new beginnings. Ace of Wands means putting action, be flirty, be courageous, be adventurous. Ace of Cups, put your heart into it. Allow your heart to fly, guys. Allow it to fly. You need the courage. I get that. Of course you do, because you're a wounded warrior. I suppose that's what it takes. But look, the tides have changed. It's going to be at a gathering. Make it work. Be playful. Be happy. Be cheerful. Because there is a new beginning on the horizon. A new beginning, guys. A new beginning. Under the deck, 3 of Swords. This time is now coming to an end. This was a broken heart. It's come to an end, guys. Allow the new beginning. Allow the new beginning. Allow the new beginning. Guess what? It's so funny because Saggies, this is what you're being advised. Reversed 3 of Swords, an end to your broken heart. 10 of Swords, the heartbreak is complete. The cycle has ended. It's in completion. All right, guys. Look, Saggies, I'm not gonna make this too long because this is just a straight out reading. Whomever this is that you met at the gathering, guess what? They bring butterflies to your stomach. They make you tongue twisted. You're not even able to say the right words. This is how happy this person makes you. Saggies, you got game. Be the confident, happy, flirtatious person you are. Stop staying in your head. Like I said, there's going to be another happy event. 3 of Cups, another happy situation. Tides have changed. Build the strength because the beginning is there. The new beginning to an adventurous and creative and happy beginning with a lot of emotions involved. Two aces, a great beginning. All right, Saggies, I wish you the best of luck. Like I said, leave this in the past. No more sadness, no more heartbreak. Enjoy your life now. And this person who brings butterflies to your stomach, talk to him and her. Have fun. Have fun, be flirting, have excitement. It's time. All right, guys, I wish you best of luck. Bye.